Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com. Good morning to you. Taking the S2000 out on a spirited morning drive. Figure I'm always driving the 911, so today we did Honda Day. Me and my friends, we have two S2000s. He's trying to talk to me on the radio. We have two S2000s and two Civic Type Rs. This is my first time taking the S2000 at speed on these roads, so I'm going to go a little conservative because it's real cold this morning. First thing you notice here is it's very loud in the cabin, so I don't have too much wind noise. I have the top up, and driving on the highway to get here, the road noise is almost deafening. We'll go into second gear now. And you see how loud second gear is. We're actually approaching the top of second. Smart car, you don't see those every day. I love to see turn for twisty roads. So now, my car's an 04, the first year of the AP2, so there's no traction control, no stability control. So once you get to 06, you do have traction control and stability control. All right, let's go from a stop, almost a stop. When you do spirited driving, make sure you have good tires and plenty of brake pads left. Now my car is the first year of an AP2. Well, I guess that's most of it for the fun. So I have no stability control, no traction control. If you get to an 06, you do have stability control and traction control, and you could probably throw it in the turns a lot easier. The downside of the 06s, and they have slightly different wheels and different seats. Downside of the 06 is they went to electronic throttle. So this is a cable throttle. So the car does exactly what I want to do when I do it. And what's a surprising fact you might not know about the S2000s is it has electronic steering, the same as the NSX. So the steering is electric, not hydraulic. But if you didn't know it, the steering is so precise. If I didn't tell you that, you might not even know it. I forget myself half the time. All right, guys, so that was a spirited drive in my Honda S2000. 2004 in Rio Yellow Pearl with 32,800 miles. I think I bought it with just over 30,000 miles. So I put about 2,800 in 9 months or so. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I will see you next time.